Assalamualaikum viewers, we welcome you in lecture number 6, that is about limit. The keyword limit in SQL is used to limit the appearance of record by the number mentioned. We'll just open what we are saying about. There is a question, there is a query, practice query. Write a query to select the first 5 highest value from the amount column. First of all, we would write a simple query with select commands, and this query is giving us results containing sales date and amount, which are the part of sales table. First of all, we have to determine the highest value. So for having a highest value, we would use the order by with amount in descending order, and we can see here that the amount has been assorted. The limit, right now the operations of the limit has come right now. So the query which we have already run has given us data from highest amount value to the lowest value. So the question query says select the highest value from the amount column, that is of 5 highest value. So we would just limit a keyword 5, keyword limit, and then any digit up to what we require the data to appear to us. Let's suppose if we would write 5, the query shows us data record of 5 only, and rest of the data it won't appear. Likewise, if we will write here 1, so let's see, you can see it, the query has shown us the maximum data. So viewers, this is all about the limit operator, limit clause. Of MySQL, your feedback would be an important.